Oh, when your garage door's stuck, don't you fear. The Garage Door Pros are always near in St. George, Utah, and SunRiver too. We're here to help, we'll see it through. By the Virgin River where the sunsets glow and sunrises paint the skies below. We bring the skill, we bring the pride. For every garage, we're by your side. We're the Garage Door Pros, here to save your day. From creaky old rollers to springs gone astray, we've got LiftMaster apron, the smooth and so sleek. Reliable and strong, they're the ones you seek. Amarr brings the style with colors so bright. Classic woodgrain looks or modern delight. Martin garage doors, sturdy and true. Perfect for homes in SunRiver too. Every part connected, it's a beautiful machine. From the panels to the springs and the track so clean. In St. George, Utah, we're making homes complete. With doors that open wide and can't be beat. You choose your make and model, we've got it all. From carriage house charm to sleek steel walls. Colors that pop or subtle hues will match your home and fit your views. Safety sensors where the seal's tight, keeping your family secure through the night. Torsion springs and cables strong. With Garage Door Pros, you'll never go wrong. Every part connected, it's a beautiful machine. From the panels to the springs and the track so clean. In SunRiver, Utah, we're making homes complete. With doors that open wide and can't be beat. By the Virgin River, where beauty flows, our garage doors stand no matter what goes. Whether it's a repair or a brand new install, our team does it right, we're on call for it all. Garage doors that last, that's what we provide. With craftsmanship and care done with pride. St. George's sunrise is bold and bright. We work with precision day or night. So lift it up, close it down, trust us for the job. From LiftMaster's brains to Amarr's heartthrob. Martin garage door, strength in every frame. Garage Door Pros, remember the name. We're the calls you can trust day or night, rain or shine, keeping St. George's garage doors working just fine. With LiftMaster's tech, we're raising the bar. Smooth, quiet, oaken nuns that go far. Amarr's got the style, the look you'll adore. From bold modern vibes to that vintage lore. Martin garage doors, firm and proud. For homes in St. George, we're the talk of the town. Our parts work in harmony, a symphony of steel. Springs and cables, rollers that feel surreal. Tracks that guide, hinges that flex, we're the Garage